Hello everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can fix the avoid chaining critical request error in your Blogger website. And this occur mostly due to the web font used in your website. So you can easily fix this by adding a code in your head tag. So first of all, copy this first URL which is in WOOF2 format. So click on copy the link, and here replace the URL. Now copy this code and again paste it below, and now copy this second URL, second font URL, and here replace this URL. In this way you can copy all the web fonts that are causing the chaining request in your website. So let me copy all the web font one by one, and you have to copy this code first, and then you have to copy the web font and then replace it here. Okay, I have copied all the URL, so just copy this URL and go to your Blogger dashboard, and here click on theme icon. Now take a backup of your theme, so in case if you do anything wrong, then you can easily restore it back by uploading that backup file here. So click on edit HTML, and now paste this code just below the head tag and save your theme. Okay, now let's check. So I am clicking on the analyze button again, and let's wait. Okay, as you can see, the page speed of this website increased around 5 to 10 points, and when I check this avoid chaining request, here it is showing 3 chain requests found. Okay, I have forgot this web font, so you can add it in the same format used in your template like this. Just copy this code and replace it with your own URL and paste it just below the head tag and save your theme. And in this way you can increase your page speed by reducing the critical chain request. You can also implement different strategy to improve your Blogger speed. I have prepared a detailed guide here, you can check this out. So you can also increase this page speed by implementing the DNS prefetch in your Blogger website like this. So just copy this whole code like this and go to the theme section and paste it just below the head tag, and now save your theme. Now check if any page speed improvement happened in the front end. So click on analyze, so there is no speed improvement in this process because this theme already has the DNS prefetch built in. But if your theme don't have DNS prefetch built in, then you can easily implement DNS prefetch in this format. As you can see, when I search for this code, my theme has already DNS prefetch inbuilt. So let me show you, and here you can see the DNS prefetch is inbuilt in this theme. But if DNS prefetch don't add it to your theme, then you can add the DNS prefetch code like this, or you can skip this. So in this way you can easily increase your page speed by a little point in page speed inside. So I hope this video is helpful to you, and if you have any doubt regarding the DNS prefetch or avoid chaining critical requests in your Blogger theme, then you can ask me in the comment section or you can contact me in Telegram. I will try to help you as soon as possible. If you really like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.